Good evening, Zimbabwe. Welcome to tonight's weather report and forecast. Hope you had a wonderful long weekend with a beautiful Africa Day. We had a bit of cloudiness over the northwestern part of the country. This suppressed the occurrence of frost over much of the country. It was rather cool in the morning, becoming warmer by afternoon with that suppression of cloud giving us cloudy conditions over the northern parts of the country. But as we get into Wednesday and Thursday, these clouds should start fading off. We were expecting it to get cooler, especially in the morning hours of the country as we get into Friday. But for much of this week, we're expecting generally cool conditions as signified by temperatures above 10 degrees Celsius, but it should get cooler as we get into Friday. By afternoon, we're expecting warm conditions across board. Webular is projected to have a maximum of 24 degrees for much of this week. Also, our minimums above 10. Same for Matopo. We're expecting our minimums to be in the cool category for much of this week. Gwanda also following suit with warmer conditions by afternoon. Gweru slightly cooler as we get into Thursday and Friday, but the afternoon still in the warm category. Same for Masvingo. We're expecting it to be warm by afternoon. Nyanga very cold in the morning. We're expecting a few fives as we get into Thursday and Friday. Marondera also following suit with the fall of our minimums as we get into Thursday when those clouds start clearing off. For Harare, we're expecting also our maximums to be in the warm category for much of this week. Kwekwe also following suit with just a slight fall of minimums on Thursday and Friday. And Kadoma also expecting just a fall on Friday to 10 degrees Celsius. Same for Chinhoyi, falling just slightly there on Friday. For Victoria Falls, maintained in the cool category for much of this week. Same for Lupane, just a slight decrease on Friday. For Binduro, expecting a bit of 9s and 10s there for minimums. For Kariba, mostly in the mild category for much of this week. That's all for our weather and forecast. Been a pleasure, Zimbabwe. I'm James Koma Jr. for the Met Department.